Alright guys, car vlog time. Normally I would do this while driving in this car, but it's not driving yet. As you can probably tell, I am a little bit sick, so I am not working on the car at the moment. However, what I will try and do now is hopefully to get the car to start. So we've checked the codes, we've looked at the engine, it all looks good, but I haven't started it yet. So, quick 5-minute video. Let's see if we can make it start. Hey, this is good. This is very, 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 very good. Alright, let's take a look. So, from what I can see here, we're not showing any master warnings. Nothing's come up, nothing's changed now that we've started the car. This is good. Alright guys. We have a runner. I like it. Alright, let's start this thing off. So, what's the plan coming up? So we have, as you might have seen from the last video, most of the parts. I've had to order a couple of things from Mazda because nobody's got them, and that's okay. That's okay. Mostly it's because a lot of these cars are involved in front-end accidents in a certain way where it seems like the right-hand side gets demolished a lot of the time. Maybe that's anecdotal, maybe that's just complete luck at the moment, but we can't find any parts that we need for the right hand side. So I had to order a set of right hand side guard liners. I've ordered a bunch of other stuff, including a brand new front bumper because nobody has second-hand front bumpers in Australia. I've been looking for weeks and weeks and weeks, and I have found nothing. So, what else did we get? We also got some new mesh and some new grills, and we've ordered a new antenna because somewhere between Canberra and Perth, someone stole our antenna. Who does that? So, plans coming up. Probably starting from next week, you're going to start seeing us pulling things apart, doing closer inspections and everything. Keep an eye out for the first video next week where we're going to take apart the front end and see if the damage goes any deeper than bolt on. And yeah. Alright guys, catch you next time.
Alright, so thanks for tuning in today. I'm Matt, this has been Bogan Engineering, and if you really like what we're doing, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you're really keen to help support us through this build, hit up our Patreon. The links are all in the description below. Have a good one. Peace out.